Oh my God, I'm nearly 40 and I'm all alone. No partner, no children, and what am I to do? I know, I'll take out an ad in the personal column. Wanted. A good lover who'll be my friend, who won't beat me or run out on me. That should do it. What do you want?
I was responding to your ad for a good lover.
How can that be? You have no arms and no legs.
I have no arms, so I can't beat you, and I have no legs, so I can't run out on you.
What about being a good lover?
I rang your doorbell, didn't I?